Another project is the Venn diagram project. This is one we usually do in class, and we didn't really have a chance to do this semester. So what you're doing is you're creating a Venn diagram with 3 different categories. Okay, so you're going to turn this in as, you can take a picture of it, you can do it by hand, take a picture of it, or you can do it on the computer. I'm fine with either one. It says see next picture for template. I didn't print it off, but I put 3 circles together as your template to fill in. Okay, so you're choosing the following categories, or you create your own. So here's some examples: buttons, candy, vehicles, shoes, ribbons, stickers, and I have 2 examples I'll show you in just a second. But you pick a category and you pick 3 characteristics in that category. So for buttons, I wouldn't say red, green, blue. That's not 3 different characteristics. That is one characteristic, which is color. Okay, another characteristic of a button might be a size, like a big button versus a little button. It might also be how many holes it has in it, 4 holes or 2 holes. Okay, so each circle in your Venn diagram is one characteristic. Okay. For candy, you might say chocolate candy, or you might say like hard candy or something like that. Like those might be characteristics. Okay, so from there, you are filling in the Venn diagram. The whole thing counts as your universal set. So you're filling in something in each part of the Venn diagram, and you're using, where's it at? Real items, cut out pictures, hand drawings. Like, don't just put words there. Okay, so here are some examples. So let me zoom out a little bit. So this person chose shirts as his universal set. The 3 different categories this person chose was long sleeves, buttons, and stripes. He didn't pick long sleeves, short sleeves. The reason why you have to, like, you couldn't do long sleeve and short sleeve is there's nothing that's both long sleeve and short sleeve. You might say like a quarter length, but like if I was saying red and green, there's nothing. Well, that's another example of this also. But you see what I'm saying? Like with the buttons, the 2 holes and 4 holes, there's nothing that is both 2 holes and 4 holes, or nothing that's not that. So that's the reason why you have to pick 3 totally different categories. Okay, so long sleeves, buttons, and stripes. So his was this cute little activity where you figure out where everything goes. So this is a long sleeve, stripes, and has buttons. So long sleeves, stripes, and has buttons. That's going to be in all of them. So that goes in the middle. This is short sleeve, so it's not in the long sleeve circle. It has buttons and stripes. So it's going to go right there. This has buttons, no long sleeves, no stripes. So that would be here in the button category. This is long sleeves, no stripes, but with buttons. So it'd be there. This is not long sleeves, not buttons, but it has stripes. This is long sleeves with stripes. So it's going to be in the middle there. This is long sleeves, no buttons, no stripes. And this one is none of them. It's not long sleeves. It doesn't have buttons. It doesn't have stripes. So it's out here on the side. So this is like a perfect example, and it's beautiful. Also, the person who did this worked really, really hard on it. But see how there's something in each category of the Venn diagram, and there's something also outside. Each circle is labeled as well as the whole universal set. Okay, so that is one example of a Venn diagram. This was another one. This was super creative and super cute. So this person put their use like the inside out idea of that movie. But the categories were happy, sad, and angry. And he put situations in each one of these. This was a lot of work coming up with. This is much easier to do, to actually create, but this is fun. Okay, so happiness, short-lived happiness. Okay, sadness, prolonged suffering. Angry, sudden rage. Okay, so something that is both happy and sad but not angry is eating too much Mexican food. Okay, something that's happy but can also make you angry is scrolling through social media. Something that is sad but also can make you angry would be stubbing your toe. And something that can make you happy, sad, and angry is being a sports fan. And then the one he said that was none of those things is disgust, which is like prolonged vomiting and constant eye rolling. So it's just a cute little activity or a cute little project. Feel free to do something like this, but probably your best bet is to go here, just because this took a lot of thought to find a situation or find the circles that worked out this way. Okay, so that is the Venn diagram project. And the rubrics down here, neatness, appearance, you have to label everything, originality, and everything being correct adds up to be all that. Okay.